Experiencing a stuck glove box in your Tesla Model S? Don't worry, you're not alone. This video will guide you through troubleshooting and fixing the issue. We'll cover common causes like software glitches, electrical problems, and mechanical jams, providing solutions you can try at home. According to Tesla certified mechanics, 60% of these issues are electrical. So let's dive in. First, ensure your Tesla's 12 volts battery is healthy. A weak battery can cause electronic components to malfunction, including the glove box actuator. Next, check the glove box fuse in the underdash fuse box. A blown fuse is a common culprit for glove box malfunctions. Finally, check the center display. If the glove box button is unresponsive on the screen, a software reset might be needed. Refer to your Tesla owner's manual for fuse locations and additional details. Tesla's over-the-air updates frequently address glove box malfunctions through software fixes. Start by checking for available updates in your car's settings menu. Navigate to the software section on your center screen where you'll see update options. Install any pending updates to ensure your vehicle has the latest actuator diagnostics. If the glove box still won't open after updating, try the glove box reset feature in the Tesla mobile app. This requires version 12.5 or later software. Introduced in late 2025, this remote reset diagnoses electrical and software issues with the glove box actuator, resolving many problems without a service visit. For more advanced troubleshooting of your Tesla Model S glove box, use a multimeter to check the voltage at the actuator wires. Connect the multimeter probes to the actuator wires and set it to measure DC voltage. A reading of around 12 volts indicates proper power delivery to the actuator. This is the normal voltage for the glove box system. If there's no voltage reading, it suggests an electrical fault, such as a blown fuse or wiring issue that needs attention. Here are examples of multimeters you can use for these checks. Important disclaimer: if you're not comfortable working with electrical components, consult a qualified technician to avoid any risk of damage or injury. This completes the electrical checks section. If the above steps don't resolve the problem, it's time to contact Tesla service. You can schedule an appointment online or through the Tesla app. Tesla's mobile service can often handle glove box repairs at your home or office, saving you a trip to the service center. Many issues are covered under warranty, especially for vehicles manufactured between 2012 and 2020, with free actuator replacements under the service bulletin issued in Q4 2025. To prevent future glove box issues, focus on regular maintenance. Start by keeping the glove box area clean and free of debris that could interfere with the latch mechanism. Apply silicone lubricant to the latch annually to reduce friction and prevent wear. This simple step can extend the life of the mechanical components. Always keep your Tesla's software up to date through the touchscreen interface. Updates often include improvements to electrical systems that can prevent glove box problems. Automotive engineer Sarah Klein recommends routine fuse checks to maintain overall electrical health. Inspect the fuse box regularly to ensure all auxiliary circuits are functioning properly and prevent unexpected malfunctions.